Nepal is a landlocked country surrounded by high hills and mountains from all sides. Nepal is a socially rich country on the planet. The culture of Nepal is appreciated by the entire world. Actually, culture and traditional is the chapter of Nepal. Culture and custom of Nepal have been well known throughout the entire world in Nepal. There are a number of outstanding ideology, language, studying, different dilution and festival in Nepal. There are a number of religions and every religion has its own particular qualities and norms. People of each religions can comment their celebration as a per their way of life and convention. I am Nuru Sherpa. I was born in 1998 in small place which lives in Khotang. I believe in the power of dream. From a young age, I was interested in social work. Along with my study, I used to do social work in my spare time. I had studied and joined a social service at a very young age. I had always been very happy to be involved in social work. My desire is to do something for the youth who are leading the society. I had always wanted to bring some improvement in the society, and that I have been bringing new face of the youth in the society through various programs. They have brought some positive impact in the society. They were also very enthusiastic about preserving their culture and language from early age, and it feels great to have known such a young youth inspiration. I have done various work related to organization and loads of social work. My mother, it is the inspiration behind all theirs. She is encouraged to me to do something great in the society for the people. All the program which I had achieved at a young age is all because of my mother.